Hello everyone and welcome to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing a Lip Monthly subscription box, and this package cost I believe $13, and it is promised to have between 4 and 5 lip products. The card that they include with this does not include the prices of the items that come in the bag, which kind of sucks, but I took the liberty of looking it up for us just to be sure that these products were not something you could find at a drugstore and something that was actually worth the money. When I totaled everything in this bag, we came to a total value of $63. So for a $13 monthly subscription, it was 13 or 15, I can't quite remember. But yeah, for like a $13-ish monthly subscription box, they promised to give you like a $50 or more value. So they hit the mark on this for me as far as value goes. And I also went ahead and looked at the companies that we got because I couldn't recognize most of these brands. And I just wanted to make sure, you know, that it wasn't cheap products they were sending us or crap disguised as good products. So I did look at the websites all the way through, and I was fairly confident that all of these brands seemed like good quality brands, and they also sold a lot of other products too, so they seemed like trustworthy companies at a first glance. So when I pull out of the little pink container, we have a little bag to hold our goodies in. I like when companies do this because it's nice to get a makeup bag. What I don't like is that they put their brand name on it. And I mean, I know it's good for branding, but like Lip Monthly is an okay name for a subscription box. It's not necessarily a name that I want on my makeup containers, so this will probably end up in the gift pile. The first thing is this Peony Butterfly Lip Butter Scrub. And it says that it's cruelty free, which is amazing. By the way, all of the products in this bag are full size. This little lip scrub looks teeny to me, so I went ahead and checked it out, but this is what they sell the full size of. Okay, I finally got it open. And it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. I'm so glad that I opened this to sniff for you guys. It does have like a little pink color to it. Oh my God. This is one of the best smelling things I've smelled in a long time. I know this is a small container, but like they can take my money. They can have all my money. It smells that good. Definitely check this item out if you are into lip scrubs because it smells so good. Next thing in our little goodie bag is a lip liner. And I'm actually not going to try this one on. I'm going to save it to gift to someone because I personally don't use lip liners. I don't like them. Maybe I'm just not skilled enough to enjoy them. But this is a pretty dark pink color. The one thing that upsets me a little bit about this bag is that if you're going to send me a lip liner, I feel like it should match the lipstick you're sending. And the lipstick that they sent us is a beautiful color, but I don't think that these two would ever go together in any world. So this is the color. I'm in love. I'm so in love. I'm going to try this one on. So I would say it went on a lot pinker than it looks. It looks more like a nude. Yeah, you can even see in the camera, my lips look so much pinker than the lipstick looks, which is a little upsetting because I really love this lighter nude color in comparison, but I do love it. It went on super nice, and it smells sweet too. Who is this one by? I forgot to tell you the name of the lip liner too. The lip liner is by Cab. Lip liner is by Cab, K-A-B. And then this lipstick is by Model Co. So I approve of this brand. Like I said, I love the smell. I love the feel. It feels nice and smooth and buttery. The color, I wouldn't pick it for myself, but I will probably get use out of this lipstick. And of course, if you're gonna purchase it on their website, they have more colors. So finally, our last item in the box is this Floss Lip Gloss. I'm not seeing them on the box, but I believe on the website they were claiming it's going to be your new favorite lip gloss because it's not too sticky and it has just a really nice wear. I'm going to take this lipstick off so we could try this lip gloss on. And once again, I love the nudish colors. don't get me wrong, I like really bright colors. They look really good on some people, but just my skin is so pale that like everything looks dark on me. Oh, okay, this is not what I was expecting. Normally lip glosses like squeeze and you just like brush it on, but this has a little doe foot. Wow, this has got a lot of color in it. And this one has a sweet scent too, but it's more of like a baked good sweet scent, not really like a fruity sweet scent. All right. I am liking this color a little more. And I feel like this one's a little bit more true to the color in the container. I don't know, maybe my lips are just like really pink and there was changing the color of all these nude colors because this does look a little more nude. I don't know, I'm satisfied though. I'm satisfied with the quality of all of these and I'm satisfied with the colors and the variety. They did give us a gloss, a lipstick, a lip liner, and a lip scrub, plus the bag. That is 5 items. So they hit all the marks for me. This is probably one of my new favorite monthly subscriptions, especially for makeup. The only thing that might get a little redundant about this bag, well, not necessarily redundant, but like how many lipsticks can you own? Like, do you really wear lipstick every day? I'm going to keep this subscription for us, and they also, I noticed they offer like, if you buy a whole year at once, they'll give you a free mirror. I'm curious what that mirror looks like, and now that I have an unboxing channel, and I love this subscription box, I think it's a great value for the price. We're probably going to want this all year long, so I might go ahead and make the investment in a year just to see what their free mirror looks like. Even if I don't go that whole commitment route to an entire year, we're definitely going to do this for at least another couple months. All great quality products, and I really enjoyed the smells of every single thing in this bag. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope I will see you again.